Hey everybody, it's Sonjdradeluxe. Can I get a hell yeah? It's my mother loving birthday, yeah. It's also summer solstice, yeah. It's also National Indigenous Peoples Day in Canada, yeah. Big up to that one. Super excited. I thought we could like maybe party a little bit, do some glam. I also have a like super exciting ting I want to share with you guys. I don't think in the history of ever, of my almost 10 years on YouTube, that I've ever posted on my birthday. So we get to turn up together, grab a little drinky drink, let's do some glam. I already have my base and my brows done because I want to show you something I'm really excited about. But first off, I just want to say happy National Indigenous Peoples Day. So I wanted to get into some glam and also show you something that I'm super excited about that is launching. By the way, I turned 30 freaking 2 today, so I'm gonna do a little bit of birthday glam, but I'm also like really excited because I was able to make this launch line up with my birthday and summer solstice, which is like a super special time for me. Also, I wish I could just play music right now. I think I might make a little birthday playlist, put it on Apple Music and Spotify if you guys want to check it out. But summer solstice is a special time for me. It's cold in Canada. June 21st, my birthday. It's a whole new vibe in the country, really, and it always reminds me of warmth and warm things and my favorite time to do makeup. I love a bronzy glam and warm colors, so I'm super hella excited to show you the summer solstice collection with nude sticks by me. You feel me? I put together this little kit and I'm so freaking excited about it. As you know, like, I love nude sticks. I've used it a lot in my videos and it's a Canadian brand, so I'm super honored as a Canadian to be a part of this. And also to be doing this for so long and to be getting such a great opportunity and to give something to the deluxe fam that I think is super freaking dope. So these are all products that I've used in my videos before, except for one thing because it's a new. Let me show you what it is. So this is the Sonjdradeluxe Summer Solstice Kit. I'm going to be using it throughout the video, but I just want to show it to you real quick. It's 4 products, so easy to digest, you feel me? Not too complicated, but multi-use, daytime, nighttime glam, whatever. And there's these 4 tings right here. We have the ROUGE NUDIES Bloom. Has a little brush on the end. This is really well loved by me because since I got this kit delivered to me, I've been using it freaking all the time. So she don't look brand new no more, but that's just, I'm telling you, I actually really do love it. Bubbly Baby NUDIES Glow. I'm gonna explain this stuff as I use it, but I'm just gonna show you the swatches right now before I tear it up. This is the NUDIES Glow Bubbly Baby right here. It's more of like a wet shine more so than it is pigment, but it has a little bit of champagne, pink, gold, so it really works well on all skin tones. This you see me use lots. This is the Magnetic Lip Plush Paints, kind of like a soft matte lip color that's great buffed out or put on full force right there. Do you see the color story? And then my Favy Wave, which I use all the time and almost wear every single day, so I don't know what it looks like inside. Yeah, because I be using this a lot. The Desert Sun Magnetic Matte Eye Color Fave. Cut your crease, fill your waterline. Anyways, those are the 4 colors and I'm really like stoked about it because it's like I literally got to pick 4 of my favorite things, and this is also very full coverage and wears in the waterline all day and is super long wearing. But that's our color story. Warm, glowy, super diverse to have more of a natural look or more of a glam look if you want. And I have to say, the NUDIES Bloom, this blush is a way to get glass skin even if you have oilier skin, and I'm going to show you how to finesse it. I'm going to be using it lots. Anyways, I'm very excited about this. Let's do some birthday glam. Let's party. I wish YouTube let us listen to music because I'd love to have a whole DJ party with you guys, but we're going to do a makeup party instead. As I said, this collab means so much to me and it would mean a lot if you guys check it out. Just go look at it. I really was thinking about every single person when I was creating it, and I just feel incredibly honored and blessed to have this opportunity, especially after such a hard year. I'm truly grateful, and especially with a brand that I love and a Canadian brand at that. So I'm gonna leave a little linky poo in the bio and you can check it out if you want. If you feel like you'd be scrumdiddlyumptious in it, then check it out. Let's do some birthday glam. I'm not wearing a headband today because I just wanted to feel like a little tiny bit cute the whole video, not just like having my headband pull my wig all the way back. I glued this mother down. Wearing a special shirt to me. So my favorite makeup for summer is usually natural dramatic, which is it not being too complicated or anything, but having one statement piece, which is going to be skin and eyeliner. Let's just go in with skin. Like, I'm really excited about these products first and foremost. And I'm going to start with the Bubbly Baby Nudies Glow. What I like about this is it gives you glass skin, and the reason why I'm doing it first is because I like to control where the shine is. Like I said, this is more of like a glass skin wet type of look more so than a actual highlight, so it just makes your skin look really dewy and glowy. And when I want to do a little bit more of a natural look, I'll do this first and then the blush second over top so they can kind of mix together, and then it's just like ultra light beams vibes. So I'm going to put this the highest points of my face, a little bit on the nosy. Okay, so again, it doesn't look like I'm adding actual pigment to my skin. It's more the glow with a little bit of reflecting bits in it, which will camouflage the skin underneath. I also like to do a little bit of brow, a little on the chin. Like, I want really dewy skin. Now you can take the other side of the product and use the brush, or you can blend it in with your fingers. For this one, I'm just gonna stipple it with the brush because I'm gonna use my fingers for the next part. And basically, I'm just kind of softening the edges. I'm not blending it too much because I'm going to blend the blush quite a bit, and it's going to get mixed in properly that way. But this, I'm just kind of stamping it into the skin. It's also really nice on your collarbones. I'm not wearing a collarbone shirt right now, but it's bomb. I just like for summer especially to just look really nice and glossy and fresh and dewy without looking sweaty. So I'll show you how to do that in uno momento. But look at that. Oh, we should zoom in. I want you to see this up close. You see that? And that's why I like to, instead of just using my fingers with this, just diffuse the edges rather than like just blending it all over. But it just makes your cheekbones look like a little bit on the nose, avoiding the oily areas, which we're gonna powder in a second. Look at that glass skin, you feel me? So that's why I'm saying, like, here I tend to look shiny, like right in my brow. So I'll powder that, but I like the bit of dewiness on the edges of my temples. Well, not temples really, but my forehead here. But look at that, bomb. Now, I've been wanting to show you guys this for a while, but I'm gonna show you how to further the glass skin and also tie in the super blushed kind of trend, I guess. And I'm gonna put it like almost right underneath my eyes. It's gonna blend in with the highlighter we just did, which I'm freaking obsessed with. I'm gonna go right here underneath my eye and pull it up like this. And I'm gonna do a tiny bit on my nose. I'm not joking when I'm saying I'm putting it like underneath my freaking eyes. This has been a game changer for me because I get really dry, and when I find I'm dry, I look older. So doing this allows me to have glossy skin and, you know, that kind of trend, but it also looks like super freaking youthful. I'm just gonna tap that in with my finger, pull it up towards the temples. Okay, stay with me here. This is one of my favorite ways to wear it. This is one way. You could totally like change the shape of your face with blush as well. I want this like pretty pigmented. The under parts of the highlighter are gonna pick up as well. Looking on the nose. Blending that in really well. Okay, so that looks a little crazy, right? Then, because I want the highlight to stay on the cheek area, I'm gonna take a little bit of my powder and I'm gonna set over top of the blush so that this area where it can kind of look oily, you see how it's like oily right here? You still get a really beautiful radiance, but it doesn't take it down too much, and you can leave the parts where you want to look really dewy. I'm gonna do one side so you can see. So right on the area where I kind of have pores showing, which is right around here. And then I'm gonna also blot just at the end of the bottom where I'm gonna put my bronzer, just so it doesn't stick to the bronzer. And it kind of mutes it, but you get this like rosy flush that's super youthful and really nice highlight as well. Come on, cheekbones! I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed, and it's my birthday! So I'll just give you a quick look before I do the other side. Look at the difference of placement. Like, this has gorgeous highlight, but I don't want to be highlighted right here. I want to be highlighted here. And it just gives me this like lifted, high cheekbone, gorgeous look. So take that. Take a look. You can also do this. This is really dope too if you want to do like a natural glam. Do your blush, but not right on your cheekbone, doing it a little bit lower, and then you don't have to powder or anything like that. Having it not right under your eye and in this kind of like area where it could look oily. But look. Obsessed! Powder this side real quick and along that area where I'm gonna bronze in a minute. Done. I'm also gonna take that powder and just go in between my brows where I told you I get like kind of that shine, leaving the dewiness on the outer sides of my brow. I love it. Obsessed. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my bronzer like I normally do. Gonna go underneath. It's not gonna stick to the highlight because we just powdered that area, but look at how this and the bronzer go so well together. Orgasms! I'm just kind of buffing it into there. I still get the shine from the highlight and the blush together. So this is exactly why I chose this color, because it looks bomb with bronzer, especially in the summertime. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my forehead. This is why I wear a makeup headband, because I don't wanna get it on my wig, but this is a black wig, so you can't tell as much. But the reason why I like to do the blush and then the powder over top is because you still get the benefits of like a cream, but you see how I still have like a lot of radiance when I'm moving? That's what I like in the summer. And you could always add more powder if you're more oily or do different prep underneath, but this together I just think gives such a radiance that I haven't felt with anything else. And my pores look mad small when I do it like this too. Anywho, let's bronze them now. I'm gonna go ahead and contour the nose right quick. A little dip on the top. Explaining in another video, you always want a well-balanced face, not just contouring one area, but everything. We do a little bit of that in my crease. This is the Pro Bronze Fusion. This is another step of my contouring to make everything nice and balanced. Ooh. I'm gonna take this Sassy Sienna's palette by Dose of Colors. I'm gonna mix these two palettes because it's the same color as the blush I love. And I'm just gonna do that in the crease a little bit, tie it all together, just to carry the warmth into my crease and the blush. Blend it out into the blush a little bit. Rosy and romantic. And I'm gonna do some neon orange eyeliner because like why the frick not? So I'm gonna go in with that eyeliner, the orange one. And I'm gonna activate it with a bit of water. And I'm gonna do a line on the end. Smudge it out with my finger. Clean it up a bit. And I'm just gonna connect it barely to my lash line, but not getting it on my lashes as best I can. And I'm gonna do a line into my crease, sort of, and pull it out. So it's like a little hooky hook. And then drag whatever's left over the crease. Drag this in so it kind of disappears. I just love extraness with eyeliner and bright colors. And I'm gonna do a little bit of a line in the inner corner here. Blend it out so it's not really visible. Just like that. Alright! Next up we have Desert Sun, which I've used hell motherfreaking times in my videos. It is my favorite water liner. The color, how long it stays, everything is just perfection. It's also really good to, if you want to like cut your crease a little bit, you can. You want to do like a little lazy cut crease, which I've shown you before in other videos, just to brighten it up a little bit, because it's a little pencil. You can just draw right on your skin. Ooh. And it really opens the eyes up, and it lasts a really long time too. So if you're out and you're sweating and stuff, this really stays on. Another reason why I love it, because I tend to crease above and underneath my eye. Do a little on the inner corner there. I'm gonna go in with some lashes. It's my birthday, so I'm gonna use the same lashes I've been using because they're my favorite. They're Aurora by Locale Beauty. They kind of wing out. I think they just suit my eyes a lot. Get some glue on there. I always like to put glue on, and then when the glue's drying, I'll put my mascara on because it gives me enough time. I'm gonna use the Nude Sticks waterproof mascara. It's really the vibe for the summertime. It's waterproof and not crumbly, and you can make it look really natural or very dramatic, but I especially love it under false lashes because it just looks so natural. I'm putting on a heavy layer, but you could totally make it look like, oh my god, no, my lashes are just long. Like, I'm not wearing mascaras. And that's why I avoided my lash line too, because then you're trying to put your lashes on, you could totally see the orange if you're not careful. So usually with neon liners, I'll try extra hard to avoid anywhere near my lash line. I love it. This is my vibe. These lashes are everything. Okay. So then do a little mascara on the bottom. I like this mascara for the bottom as well because it has this little funky brush tip. So it's easy to just drag it across because that's how I do my bottom mascara. Usually it's just swiping the tip across, and this makes it very easy. Just the tip. This makes me so happy because you know why? I get to be self-expressed on my birthday, 32, doing makeup that I want to do, using products that I love, and it doesn't have to go by any type of beauty standards. I could just do my thing, and I don't know, I'm just like, I'm feeling a happy moment right now. Especially after that trash that 2020 was, this is just, I'm feeling very nice. Hashtag blessed. Okay, the last thing in the kit that I'm very excited about, that I've used hella times, the magnetic Plush paint. I love this to color correct because as I tan, my lips get really gray on the outer parts. This is a really nice kind of terracotta color, and you can kind of buff it out really natural like that, or you can have it really full on this. For this look, I'm gonna do a mixture of both and just tap it on. And I like to kind of rub it just above my cupid's bow because it gives a really nice pouty look, but it's so soft and it feels really moisturizing even though it's like matte, so I'm obsessed with it. Anywho, well, usually I'd be like, let's take off the headband, but I'm not wearing one. Let's just zoom out to a normal distance and let's chat. Okay, so there's the birthday look. Like, if I were to be 100% real and just do what I wanted for my birthday, like, this is totally it. Like, natural dramatic skin, you know, catching all the light, little bit of something extra. And this is how I feel comfortable, and I'm so honored and blessed that I got to partner with Nude Sticks and have my own collection that I get to share with you guys. And it means a lot to me, especially that I was able to have so much creative control with it and choosing the colors and stuff like that. So I'm just like hella blessed, and I really hope that you guys love it. I haven't done like a collab in years, so this is a big deal and I'm really happy. So I'm thinking of all of you on my birthday. I'm just spending time with family. I'm not really doing anything except for this right here, getting glam, sharing my faves with you guys, and looking forward to another trip around the sun. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to share, subscribe, and follow. Love yourself, stay pretty, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Take care.